Peter, what are you doing? Crack?
What the fuck?
This country needs stronger border security.
Our border security is the strongest in the world.
What we need is to take care of our children.
I can't get an erection.
She's beautiful.
Isn't she, sweetheart?
He sure is, Joe.
It's hard to believe she's
She's already 18.
Hey, be careful, there's cars on the floor here.
Thanks.
That's weird, huh?
Yeah, the
Doorknob was really hot, but I just let go instead of holding onto it.
and there's some ice on the stairs to the basement, so I guess just don't go down there.
Just so you guys know, I have a tarantula.
Well, I'm off to buy imaginary groceries. Do you think he's okay?